Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again.
I don't care what people say about me. Only I know my story. Only I know what I've been through. I was born to be authentic and not to please everyone.
Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself every day and let your progress be your motivation. Discipline and obsession will take you further than passion ever will. The past is in your head, the future is in your hands.
Work in silence. Sometimes you've got to disappear, then come back and shock the world. Shock everybody that doubted you. You need to take a step back and ask yourself, why am I here? What is my purpose? You should be aiming for the top. If you fail, get up and do it again.